Good afternoon. This is CRS year 2019 past question. Question number 28 says, the excellent spirit in Daniel caused the satraps to be dashed. First of all, the satraps are the other governors in the land or so called enemies of Daniel. They are the satrap. Then the excellent spirit in Daniel caused the satraps to be dashed. A. Angry with him. B. Jealous of him. C. Bitter with him. D. Friendly with him. The correct option here is option B. They became jealous of Daniel. You remember during the reign of King Darius, King Darius divided his kingdom into 120 kingdoms, and each of these kingdoms was managed by a governor, and Daniel was a governor of one of the kingdoms then. So, and Daniel pleased God, and the king acknowledged that God was with Daniel, and God blessed Daniel, and the king became so friendly with Daniel. So they plot against Daniel to an extent that Daniel was pulled out into the den of lion before the king also rescued Daniel. God actually rescued him, but later on the king called out Daniel to come out, since his God, or the God he served, could save him from the mouth of lions. So he came out. So we find the story in the book of Daniel. Daniel chapter 6 verse 1 to 28 to find the details of the story there. Thank you, and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.